Good folks, so got a wee hammock to try out. So big thanks to Skykoy. So they've sent me a nice hammock. It comes in the bag. So main body of the hammock, obviously got a built-in bug net. I'll obviously show you that when I open it up, get it set up. You also get a couple of tree huggers, your instruction manual, I take it that is, and you also get the 2 carabiners as well. So I will put a link down below where you can purchase this hammock. The thing I like about this hammock is it's actually a European company that have produced it, so it's not Chinese, it's not from abroad anywhere. Well, saying abroad, it's in Europe, so it's a European company. So we'll get it set up and we'll show you what it looks like once it's up and we're ready to go. So don't go away. Right, so this is the Skykoy hammock system. So tree huggers, pretty basic, but we'll still do the job. All we could do is tightening them up a wee bit. It's got all the whippy slings and things like that as well, so that tightens up nice. Actual hammock part, the whole bug net is detachable, so even if you want to take that off, you can take it off. I do actually quite like the look of this hammock. Excellent. We've got the tie-on points for the likes of your underquilt, etc. Quite like even that. That's kind of different from ones I've seen before. So I think, if I remember rightly, it's ripstop material. What I will do, I'll put the links below. It's also got, along the top, it's got a nice wee kind of pocket. I'll be better filming it for this side. So yeah, it's got a nice, oh in fact that's quite unusual as well. But basically you can stick your stuff in that. That's quite neat. It's even got the toggle in the centre as well. I do like the fact it's got those. Some hammocks don't have these kind of extra clip-on points. But all in all, can't tell a lie, that looks quite a decent hammock. The materials even kind of look slightly different. I will put a link, like I say, below to the actual hammock. Big question is though, will it hold my weight? We'll soon find out. Again, plenty of space in it. Look at this, I like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a tarp over the top of it as well. But that's basically the Skykoy hammock. I might do a more detailed review on a separate video, but tonight I'm just doing camping. Well, hammock camping. So I'm going to get the tarp up. I've got the DD XL camo tarp with me tonight, and I think I've got a 1 Tigris underquilt. I've got a sleeping bag, but I've actually bought the I get sent a 1 Tigris kind of overquilt, kind of blanket thing, so I've actually brought that with me tonight as well. Whether or not I use it, I don't know. But right now, time to get the tarp up. Right, tarp up. Right, boom, that's us. So, under blanco in, hammock up, tarp up, we're good to go. That's my DD tarp hammock. Looking good. And this is Ryan's setup. So, probably saw me one of the last videos about it. I went down the road and it was a windy night, folks.
I ended up parasailing.
And he's not kidding. It was a very windy night. But tonight we're in the woods. It's kind of pretty sheltered in here, so but that's Ryan set up, so looking good. So he's got the same under blanket as me, the Wind Tigris. I can't mind the name of it now, but it's a good under blanket. It's a kind of double under blanket, so loads of space in it. Just you're almost like a cocoon inside it. But that's us, ready to rock and roll. There's the hammock set up, so Ryan's brought a tarp as well, so it's supposed to pour with rain. So Ryan was saying this is only 20 quid at the Decathlon, comes with the poles and everything. So that'll be quite handy once the rain starts coming down. But we're more or less set up. We'll get the chairs and that out shortly, we'll be good to go. Right folks, you know what time it is. Here's Ryan.
Good buddy.
So we're starting off with the Strongbow Cloudy Apple. Cheers. I'm going to get a wee fire going. So Ryan's got one of these kind of fold up kind of fire pit things, really great. It just means you don't leave any mess in the ground. You know what they say? Leave no trace. And then the Bunsen burn a lighter, which again Ryan kindly got me one of them. Sitting down, humped a bag of logs up with us, as long as I would here, but sometimes it's just good to get a bit of dry wood. Ah, it's just good to be back out. So, I was good at Ryan come and pick me up. Obviously my motor's kaput at the moment. But, I think I'm getting a courtesy car come Monday, I think it is. I'm just waiting on my actual car getting picked up. But the fire's on, tarp's up, hammock's up. I can sit back and relax now. So I'll still do a bit of cooking. So I'll not tell you what it is, you just have to stay tuned. And if anybody else has seen my kind of wee posts, the merch store has started. So at the moment there's just mugs and wicking t-shirts. But also talking about doing everything from camping water bottles to cutlery to all sorts of different things. So I'm going to start putting that link at the bottom of my videos if anybody wants to buy any merch. You know you want to. Oh, it's just good. Oh, it's actually quite calm. It is supposed to rain later on, but at the moment it's dry, so long may that continue. So we'll just sit at the fire. So, nice way to get some tunes. So, obviously I'll need to remember to pause it now and again when I'm filming, but we're just going to sit back, chill, fire on, tunes on, a couple of cold ones, well probably more than a couple. I don't know if you heard that, a couple of dozen. Right folks, it's getting to that time of night. Oh yes, look at these. Chinese chops, Ryan?
Minted lamb chops.
Oh sorry, minted lamb chops we've got tonight. Oh look at these. Proper butcher's minted lamb chops. Oh these look immense. So I think we'll be cooking shortly. You'll soon be hearing that sizzle sound.
He's actually loves these wee bags. They're so handy because you see the stuff that he's lying
yeah,
about. I
yeah,
didn't realise that's how you done it till I fucking watched the video. Then
I was the same.
I was chucking the bag and
I
going away.
stuck it in
everywhere.
the side pocket of things, and then next thing, what you say, what's around it, and somebody's like, oh no, so you put it to the bottom and you
It's like a wee, they're handy as hell, so for like your bags and your lighters and wee bits and pieces.
well, something you every day.
Absolutely.
Sorry? I don't know what's about the one I've got, but it's almost like if you talk something about the memory card. I wonder if it's the same thing that you're saying.
Oh. The clock's good out the night. That needs to run my hammocks. Alright, that's right.
Right, it's that time of the night. Starting to get a wee bit. Well, the light's kind of fading now. But torch is on. You know what time it is. It's minted lamb chop time.
Minted lamb chop.
Oh yes.
For starters.
So, you know, it's sizzle time. Oh. Put that one on the pan. Oh, these look good to see. I know I've showed them already, but proper butchers. Oh. Bugsy Boy will be looking at these. Bugsy likes a wee chop. But Ryan's pulled it out of the bag. Yes, I did. Oh, can you hear it, folks?
Right out the bag of butchering.
Oh yeah. Sizzle tastic. Not one, not two, not three, but four. Not four, but five, but six, but seven, but eight. 8 minted lamb chops. Oh, look at that. Oh, wish you were here, Bugsy. Wish you were here. It's cheeky chop time. Right, don't know what's going on, folks, but there's something's going on up there. Listen to that. Can you hear that? It's cheeky chop time. I don't know what the hell's going on up there, but there's a lot of birds. The birds. Where's the birds? Oh, cheeky chops. Bon appetit. Oh, immense. Compliments to the chef, Ryan. It's 9 o'clock and it's time for round 2. So chef, Ryan's the chef tonight. So he's doing he is. I know he did. He did actually say you're in the coals tonight, and I've just sat here and drank cider. And, yeah, and Ryan's cooked all night. I'm terrible for that. Anybody will tell you that. Everybody sees me cooking all the time, and anytime I go out with other folk, I don't know. I must just become lazy. But Ryan is he does cook a fine. He cooks a fine bit of scran out in the middle of nowhere, and you know how we all love a good scran. So, can you see that in the distance there? We'll burrow you around. Round 2. Oh, not just any bacon, it's the medallions. Oh, so Brian, if you're watching, Brian, I know you like a wee bacon medallion, no fat on it. So bacon, fried onion. Oh, look at that. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock at night, middle of nowhere. You know, must be a bit. It's quite cold tonight, isn't it? Ryan?
It's got cold quickly, yeah.
So, burgers, cheese, onions. Oh, good boys.
Not just any burger, M&S burger.
Oh yes, nothing but the best.
I have no idea where they came from. My mum must have given them.
So, sizzle-tastic, folks. Sizzle-tastic. I'll bring you back once the burgers have gone on. It's sizzle time. So, burgers on. So, we've decided we'll have...
Not to be extra fat bastard.
Yeah, basically. But we're going to put a couple now and then we'll have another couple before we go to our kit later on. But the vino is still to come. Oh yes, you know what time it is. Folks, 9 o'clock at night. And Ryan's cooking again. Yeah!
At least we'll live till tomorrow.
Burger-tastic. So, great wee night. Definitely getting chillier though.
Aye, is it?
Winters are coming. As always say, fingers crossed, hope we get some snow. But right now, oh, fucking smells. If only there was smell-o-vision. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Oh, nice. So, we're going to have a couple of burgers and then we're going to crack open the vino. Oh, there's the bacon going back on. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait to eat this. Me sitting here, Ryan thinking all night that I was going to be in the cold, and Ryan filled it out of the bag again. The cheese is going on now. You know they're going to taste absolutely excellent. Couple of morning rolls. I think Brian's even got the barbecue sauce to work.
Oh, jalapenos are on.
Oh, jalapenos, oh, burger-tastic.
My face could have standing in butter the rolls, but...
Oh, no,
Right,
you're probably right, Ryan. I think I better do something right, so I'll butter the rolls.
without any
Don't say I don't do nothing, folks.
There's no butter.
Oh, in fact, we'll no butter the rolls. With no butter.
You can cut the rolls.
I'll cut the rolls, right, folks? I've got to do something, don't I? Right, round of applause to Ryan. Oh, look at this. So, burger, bacon, onion, jalapenos, barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. Hey folks, compliments to the chef. Time for the taste test. Look at that. Top banana. And it's burger time. You know what time it is. It's time to crack open the vino. So I've got what have I got tonight? A Chilean Merlot. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Ryan. Lovely. Right, let's tear into the burger. So, you're all sitting in the house probably.
All dressed up like idiots.
Yeah. You're out giving it large. Eating burgers. The rain stayed off, which has been brilliant.
Oh, awesome.
Superb, folks. Right, bring you back later. Had a burger. Right, what we're looking for. Vino. Fire's on. Yay. Good night. beats sitting in the house. Brilliant. Just good being out as always. So it's been a great wee night. Brian's away phoning his girlfriend, so I'm just sitting at the fire. Just chilling like a villain. Even caring about my car now. Just having a good night. Relaxing, chilling. Again, just like to thank everybody for their kind words. Asking how it was and that. I'm fine now, folks. Don't know what I'll be feeling like in the morning, but it's been a really good night. I've enjoyed this. An absolutely fantastic scran tonight as well. Those chops, the burgers, and we've still got 2 burgers to go before we go to bed. But it's great. Fire's going. I know I keep saying it, but I love this. I love it. Hey folks, it's midnight. It's midnight. Mine's not wanting any more burgers, but you know me folks. I'm going to have a double bacon burger with onions, melted cheese, jalapenos, barbecue sauce, lovely job. Yeah. But good wee night. It's been a great wee night.
Did you set fire for your phone cover?
Yeah, nearly. I did actually just about, I kind of burnt my finger a wee bit there, but hey ho, still good. Oh, wee midnight feast. I'm going to have to polish it all off myself. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. A wee bedtime meal. Look at that folks. Oh, it's a skibby snack. And you know I'm going to eat every bit of that. Oh, I think we'll struggle to get it in my mouth, but we'll give it a bash. Oh, look at that. Right folks, so time for the tower burgers. Right, I don't know if I'll fit this in my mouth, but I'll give it a good bash. Bon appetit. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Oh aye, immense. In the sleeping bag, on the hammock. I'm off to my bed. Bring us back in the morning. Morning folks. As you can tell, it's raining. But I'm going to get out and stretch my legs. See what it's like outside. Even though I know it's going to be wet. Climb back out of the hammock there, just that comfy and warm. But I better get up and start packing my gear. So let's get the gear down. I'll probably be able to take the hammock down first. Everything packed away, we'll take the tarps down last. Right, hammock's down, you know what time it is. Time for a bed wheels. But as you can hear, it's definitely rain's coming down, so just it's like getting our gear together, then we're going to hike back to where the car is. I could actually just, I could lay here all day. All day. Not really just lying in your hammock listening to the rain. I was going to get up and cook some breakfast this morning, but just can't be bothered. I had a few last night. But it's always good at the time, isn't it? Right folks, so we're all packed up, really loaded, ready to rock and roll. So, enjoyed the wee video, give a wee thumbs up, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for future notifications. We'll catch you in the next one. Adios.